Let's fill out the Alaska Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong, the VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading. Not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, and how it's paid. Here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. If you're selling a vehicle in this state, here's what you'll need to know to fill out your bill of sale correctly. First, let's talk about signatures. All owners of the vehicle must sign where indicated on the title. If there are multiple sellers, every one of them needs to sign. Along with those signatures, make sure the buyers' and sellers' printed names are clearly included on the document. Next, when it comes to the title itself, the seller, or sellers, must sign the title where indicated, and when everything is complete, you'll hand the original title directly to the buyer. Keep in mind, if there is a lien holder on the vehicle, they will need to sign the reassignment portion of the title to release their interest before the sale can move forward. Now for the odometer. If the vehicle is less than 10 years old, you are required to certify the odometer reading on the document. This protects both the buyer and the seller, so don't skip this step. That covers the key requirements for this state's vehicle bill of sale. Signatures from all owners, printed names for both parties, the original title going to the buyer, a lien holder release if applicable, and odometer certification for newer vehicles. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.